Do you want an exclusive look into beer recipe development and experimental brewing? Hi, I'm Jamie, the founder and Chief Everything Officer of JKB Brewing. I'm here to share the secrets of my brewing techniques and how I use my home brewing equipment to develop recipes that will inspire JKB Brewing's commercial beers. But that's not all. In this series, we will also explore a variety of ingredients to create flavorful beers that push the boundaries, experiment with different techniques, and brew some things just for the fun of it. My goal is to not only share my passion, but to also bring innovative and exciting beers to beer lovers everywhere. All this to bring you an intimate behind-the-scenes view, or simply so you can recreate these beer experiences at home, bringing something truly unique to your glass and be inspired to explore the world of craft beer. Whether you're passionate about craft beer or simply curious, you've come to the right place. So let's embark on this journey together. Get ready to explore new tastes and have fun along the way. Welcome to JKB Brewing, where every brew tells a story and every sip